So right now we are at Rusi at Kulaman branch and we are shopping for a motorbike. I'm super pumped. Pila na?
Pila ka niya? 41? Dili lang siya sa 30 plus 39 eh.
39. Okay, we're getting this one. I actually prefer red or white or black color combination, but they're not available, so this one's fine. And we are home. It's super fast transaction when paying in cash. So what we are doing now is called padugo or blood offering. It's a very common ritual among Filipinos, especially in rural areas. It is done by slitting the throat of an animal. And what we have here is a duck, because duck is known to have a longer life. Or you can use a goat or a cow if you have a bigger unit. So this blood offer should help drive away the evil spirits to prevent accident and keep us safe through our journey with this motorbike. Well, it's all about our beliefs, right? The most important thing is still the prayer.